Hello, my name is ADillard and I live in Texas. I'm in my 19th year of teaching and this is my 9th year teaching Advanced Algebra 1 using the Springboard curriculum. I know that all students will benefit and succeed when provided rigorous instruction and educational experiences. I would love the opportunity to become a part of the PreAP national faculty and join a strong community of educators who help other educators become their best self in the classroom. I want to improve my teaching as well as support other educators in their classrooms. Impacting students by impacting teachers means opening my umbrella wider so I can learn from and support more teachers and students. A day in my classroom doesn't look exactly the same every day, but it has the same signature characteristics, routines, and structure. Students are seated in groups that allow them to discuss problems and answer questions in small groups before we share out. Each day, we start with a warm-up problem that activates prior knowledge that connects to today's lesson. And then we start the lesson with shared reading of the learning targets, and we mark the text in the learning targets. We then chunk the lesson by marking a line under our first set of questions. My role is the facilitator as we work through the situations and problems presented. We use different learning strategies to engage all students in their learning. At the end of each chunking, I ask the students a debriefing question so the students and I know their level of understanding at that point in the lesson. It is important for students to know if they understand the content so they can take ownership of their learning. At the end of the lesson, students work on the check your understanding questions in their discussion groups before we share out. This informs me where students are in their learning before class is over. Purposeful planning is vital for student success, so I begin with the end in mind to support all of my students. I also determine which learning strategies to use and how to chunk each lesson so students become active participants in their learning. One of my most proud moments is when former students return to thank me for helping prepare them for their upper level classes, and also when they speak to my current students about the importance of the habits I'm trying to instill in them and how those habits have helped them in their higher level classes. All students can do this work, and I'm excited about the opportunity to learn and share with other educators. Thank you.